Hello and welcome back to TV34 Multimedia Productions. This is Tony, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about a remote control unit that I bought to use with my GoPros. And excuse me, one of the things that I decided to do was to try out one of the cheaper brand remote controls. The ones for the GoPro itself, they're like $70, $72, something like that. But I decided to go with one of the off brands, and it was half the price. Got it off of Amazon, and I wanted to try it out and see if it would really work. Especially connected with more than one GoPro. And the one that I ended up buying was the Teleson remote controller. That's the one that I've got right there. And it says that it works with Hero 11, 10, 9, 8, and the Hero Max. So this is the remote that I've got. It's pretty simple to set up. I charged it up a little bit, and grabbed both of my GoPros, and just to see if I could connect them both at the same time. And what you're supposed to do this is the actual GoPro, not the GoPro, but the remote itself. And what you actually do is very similar to the GoPro remote and design and everything and the features, but half the price. So I decided to go ahead and get one and just test it out and see if it would really work. So I've already connected both of the cameras via Bluetooth. So I'm going to turn this one on first, and I'm just going to turn on the mode on-off switch with just the mode button. Hold that. Turn that on, and the GoPro should come on automatically themselves in just a moment. Let me see if they're going to come on automatically. Okay, there's one of them that came on. I'm going to switch over to the GoPro itself. And as you can see, one of them is on. This one here is on. And I'm just waiting to see if this one is going to connect to come on, or if I need to actually turn it on itself. And then when I tried it out the first time, they both came on at the same time automatically. So it could be that I'm in the basement and I'm not getting a signal. So let me try to turn it on. Okay, I've got that one on now. So both of them should automatically connect to the remote control. And what I'll do is just see if I can switch modes. Okay, the second one hasn't connected yet, so I switch to camera mode. Switch to time lapse, and as you can see it on the camera, switching from one to the other, but the second one is not connected yet. So let me try to connect it again. Got it on video mode, so let me just, okay, I think the other one just connected. So let's see. Nope, it did not. Okay, video mode, and let me see if this one is connected. Just gonna see if I can connect this one real quick if it's not already connected. Like I said, it could be because I'm down in the basement, it's not allowing the signal to catch, but it should. Put the remote in pairing mode. Okay, now it's connected. Okay, so now we've got both connected. Switch back over to it. Now if I switch, you should see both of them switch. Yep, they both switched over to camera mode, time lapse mode. in video mode. And now if I switch back real quick, if I switch over to the record button, which is at the top here, the record button, if I hit that, both of them should start recording. And as you can see, they're both recording, and one of them stopped. Okay, let me hit the stop recording. Okay, now both of them have stopped recording. So I'm going to try that one more time and see if I can get them both to record. Get it back to time-lapse mode. Okay. And let's try to record again for both of them at the same time. Okay, as you can see in the camera, both of them are recording right now. And then I hit the stop button. And they both have stopped recording. Okay, I said start recording, so it heard my voice when it started recording automatically. GoPro stopped recording. Okay, now what we're going to do, so as you can see, the remote does work pretty good. Now I just have to get outside and test it out and see how good it works at distance. But I'm going to turn it off. Now I'm going to use the mode switch to turn it off, and it should turn both of them off automatically. Let's try that. Okay, that was camera mode. Time lapse. So I just need to hold it for about 3 seconds, and then it should turn both of them off. Alright, so there you have it. This is the Teleson remote control, half the price of a GoPro remote, and it does work with the GoPro Hero 11, 10, 9, 8, and the Hero Max. Again, half the price is like $30 for it. Got it off of Amazon. It works pretty good. You can control multiple GoPros with it, which would be a good idea when you're doing certain things and you want to get different angles. You know, when you record an event or something like that, this can really come in handy for you, especially with some of the work that I'm going to be doing. So I'd give it, out of 1 out of 10, I'd give it a 8.5, 9. Quality of it's pretty good. It's built pretty good. It's nice and sturdy. Lightweight, so you can pretty much carry it anywhere you want. If you want to put it on, you can put it on your arm if you want to, and hold that and put it all the way on, but you can put it on your arm if you want to, or you can just put it in your pocket or clip it on to your belt or something like that, and you're good to go. So yeah, works pretty good, so can't complain. Worth the price, worth the cost, and it seems to work pretty good. So thanks again for watching this video, and I hope this is something that you can find useful and can come in handy for you when you're using multiple GoPros and you want to record everything and sync them all up at the same time, and it'll work really good for a multicam sync. So I'm sure this is going to be really good. I can't wait to test that out. Thanks again for watching, and look forward to more stuff with TV34 Multimedia Productions.